So now we have member
I am Julian Orandari.
me Aulia Putri
Me Arya Dia.
and the last Nabila Oti Salsabila. Okay, we have two discussion about elementary school in our city. So stay tuned.
Hi friends, today we are to discuss elementary school in our city.
Yeah, that's great idea. Elementary school is a crucial foundation for education.
I agree. As a prospective elementary school teacher, and I want to learn more about the schools in our city.
Yeah, I want to learn more about elementary school in our city. Does anyone know how many elementary schools there are in our city?
I'm not sure, but I can look into it.
I think there are 20 until 30 elementary school in our city, but I'm not sure about that.
Wow, that's a lot. How can we choose the best elementary school for our kids?
That's great question. We need to consider many factors before choosing an elementary school.
I agree. We need to consider factors like the facilities, curriculum, and school reputation.
I think curriculum is a crucial factor. We need to make sure our elementary school has a good curriculum that meets our kids' needs.
I agree. A good curriculum can help our kids to develop the skills and knowledge they need the success in the future.
I also think our facilities are important factor because we need to make sure elementary school we choose has a good facilities because there are save our kids.
I agree. Good facilities can help to our kids feel comfortable and safe while learning.
I also think the reputation school is an important factor. We need to make sure the elementary school we choose has a good and trust by the community.
I agree. A good school reputation can give us confidence our kids will receive a good education that meets their needs.
I think we have discussed about important factor in choosing an elementary school. Okay, now I'd like to hear about your experience in choosing an elementary school.
I don't have direct experience in choosing an elementary school, but if done research on it.
I have experience in choosing elementary school for my younger sibling, and I think it's crucial and challenging but important process.
I want to know more about how we can ensure that our kids receive a good education in elementary school.
I think we need to monitor our kids' progress and communicate with their teacher to ensure that they're receiving a good education.
I agree. We also need to ensure that our kids have access to resources they need to learn, such a book and technology.
I think we also need to consider how we can support to our kids in developing their social and emotional skills.
I agree. We need to ensure that our kids have opportunity to interact other kids and develop their social skills.
I also think we need to answer that our kids have access to extracurricular activity to develop their interests and skills.
I think we have discussed many important things in choosing an elementary school. Now, I want to know more about how we can ensure that our kids stay motivated and enthusiastic about learning.
I think we need ensure that our kids have clear and achievable goals and motivate them to achieve those goals.
I agree. We need also to ensure that our kids have opportunity to develop their skills and keep motivate them to learning and growing.
I think we have a lot of many discussion about how to choose elementary school, and now I would say thank you so much for our participant in this discussion.
I did also like to thank everyone. I think this discussion is very helpful and give us a lot of useful information.
I agree. I think this discussion was very helpful and give us a lot of inspiration the choosing the right and elementary our kids.
I think we should consider the location of the school and how it will affect our kids' like daily routine.
That's a good point. We need to answer the school location in a safe and convenient area.
I agree. We also need to consider the school transportation option and how they will affect our kids to our kids to daily commute.
I think we have covered all the important points in choosing an elementary school. Let's summarize what we have discussed so far.
Okay, let's review. We have discussed the importance of schools like facilities, curriculum, and reputation school.
We have also discussed about importance of extracurricular activity, social and emotional skills, and motivation, of course.
And finally, we have discussed the importance of location and transportation options.
Mm, but guys, I think enough to discussion today. Next, to we discussion next in elementary school to our kids. Okay, guys, thank you for today and goodbye. See you.
See you.
That's enough from us, and thank you for your attention.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye. See you.